Mr. Ness here from World Famous Foods. Today we're going to be doing some pork loin country style ribs. Let's cook. Alright, so we're going to season our ribs now. We're going to be using some rib rub. Should we season these generously? Put a lot on there, you know. And we're going to be doing these in the crock pot also. Flip them over. All right. Okay. All right, so getting ready to cook now. We're gonna spray some olive oil in the bottom of our crock pot. Then put some onions on the bottom. Along with some garlic. Leave it just like that. Once it cooks, it'll all come to part. Some bay leaves. Now for our meat. It's gonna be really good, folks. It's gonna be really good. Okay. Now, I'm gonna pour some barbecue sauce all over this. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. We're using some sweet and spicy. Okay, we're gonna let this cook for about 4 hours. Okay, so after 4 hours of cooking, look what we got here. Look what we got. So we added some more meat in there. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, look at that. It's falling away from the bone. Okay, world famous. Time to enjoy some food.